Hi guys. Hi guys, it's DJ Girl, and did you hear that? That's my new intro, but it's not in a video game, so. The problem is, I don't know how, and nobody knows how. Not even I. I don't even know how. So we're gonna spawn a rainbow box today, and today we are playing I Do Not Know. If you guys know this game from Dennis Daily, then just click in the thumbs up if you know what the name is, and then I'll respond. Oh, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you know what is Minecraft, because I do not know what Minecraft is. But if you know what Minecraft is, give me a huge thumbs up. Because I'm spawning a rainbow box. It's supposed to be the galaxy box. Because it's the rainbow galaxy. Like journey far, far away, at Disney. This way. Oh, no. No! So, I like this place. It's kind of fun, and we're gonna do a jig jump. Boom! No. It's like I'm relaxing, and there's also incoming waterfall. Incoming waterfall! No! Whoa, I'm so fast. Oh, here comes the soft landing. There's no soft landing. So, it's kind of weird. Boom! Bumps, giggles, and bumps. Kiss her tonight. You're gonna show who you are. It's like tonight. I believe in yourself. You should believe. I hope I don't go to winners. Do not go to winners. Yay, I'm not at winners. I'm happy. And Mario. Basic Mario. Basic Mario. Oh, yes, rainbow box. Aw, I really want to get a rainbow box. Okay, bye. Rain is falling. Mini boxes. Oh man. Yes. Here we go. Everywhere that I go. Wait. I am always wonderful. Showing who is the one on the bed. Know where you're coming tonight. A big lava down. A bump in the lava spread to a part. And a drop to the water. A drop in the water. And the bar going in the river. Jump into the city in the woods. Jumping so far. You see a girl just jumping on the woods at the city. So I'm going down in the light. Okay, I'm stopping now since I died. That song and Forever, I love that song. It's my tune favorite. I can't sing it. I don't want to sing it for my. It's kind of weird. I like it much better. Oh, tonight I'm showing always. I just showing ever after. Flying in the wet. Never pick Baldi, guys. Never pick Baldi. I tried him to get see who's better, and he is not much better. Box. The diamond box. Diamond. Sorry, spawn. So, and I could actually destroy that crate box right there. Diamonds tonight, have diamonds high. You're gonna have diamonds in the sky. Nobody knows they're there. Diamonds, it breaks in the heart. You know inside, you're faster and jump a hump in a river far away. You'll see that you're not in the water going down. You might feel it crashing inside you. No way. There's no difference between down the lava and separating ways. They're babe that we can care about. A bumpy wall that goes like this. Ooh. Being high in the city far away. Home, far away. We're going home to the galaxy. Okay, that did not end up that well. No, I don't want to go our body. Mini box. Yes, we got the minion. Whoa, we're all connected. That was flat. Come on. What was that for? I was just starting the song. I did not know what was up to. I did not know what happened there. We're just squished together. What's wrong with that? I'm just here for the rainbow box. Thanks for asking. Everywhere in the lights, thank you for God this beautiful day. Enjoy it bright in the night. I'm so high. Go the way. Dark night is the same. Diamond smiling falls like in you. So like a river, waterfall ahead. You fall down. It's okay. It's like a different needs. Lava deep in the underground. Getting down the night. So, just testing. I want the diamond box right now. Oh, and then with the Batman. Oh man, too late. Falling in the city, so far, far away from home. Jumping to the river, quiet and peaceful. And then I fall, you know, to cave for long. Until lava's down below, a portal to lava, shut and crash. The lava burns, falling down into a hole. Water's going nice and here now. A big bump is there, boom. And you see it there. And you're jumping medium away. You're jumping on the hoops. And land is awesome until you fall down. Okay, that's really not cute. Are the boxes, or is that just me? There. Ah! That's rude. It just pushed me right down. That's called ruder. Yeah, I know that one. In the city, and far, far away, see a big hill, you jump to the peaceful river. But he knows there's a waterfall, and then you fall underground where nobody knows. You can't go there on our own feet. I don't really want you guys to go on the feet. It burns and burns a lot down to the bottoms. And you don't care when your bumps. It's like a different world in the underground. A city medium away. And this is who planned jumping in the sloops. Nobody knows where they lead to. With some lava at that portal. Anytime at the last. Nobody knows this galaxy. Neon cat falling down the rainbow. You don't know where you lie. Says almost there. I believe in myself in the big water problem. You're gonna follow the caution. Fall, you die, and you and your wit. I really have to go to the winners. Stop singing songs. Let's be peaceful. Let's go by foot. Go by foot. I'm just joking. No, do not do that. I want to be a mini box. And it was cute. I'm giving you one. I think that was rainbow box. Dips. We are in the city far, far away. Jumping hoops and you make it there. Okay, this game is kind of boring. We're not even going to play this anymore. You can't even make it. People are just walking on the road. It's kind of weird, guys. So I don't know which one to play. I don't know what to play at all. Let's just look at the at this. What's this game? Ooh, let's try this game. This looks fun. Right, cool girl? Yeah. You can't see her, but she's right here. She's the girl who made the theme song. It was her choice, so she's going to be here every movie. So, in the weekend, dubs. Oh, and guess what? Next week is her! Are you guys excited for her? If you're not, give this place a thumbs down. And give a sad face. And then Catherine's going to be so mad at you. We're going to have play it. She's going to scratch you. Thank you. Hello, DJ girl. Blah, 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 blah. It doesn't really matter. Can't even see anything now. Oh well, guys, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed. A thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.